Basically, you have an equipment model, and in there you have different model libraries. So if I click the drop down, you will see you already have a lot of the major suppliers models in there, right? So the likes of CATL, BID, storage, lithium, EV, and others. Also, you can create your own model. For example, let's say you are trying to work with a supplier that we don't have a model for. Supplier has given you some data, and you want to create a model on your own. So you can easily click this button here, the green one, that gives you access to the model editor. You can come here, you can fill out the information about the cells, modules, and degradation parameter, and then you can save as, and then you can give it your own name, and then you can create your own battery file. So we have .btt is our battery extension for the battery model, and then similar concept applies for inverters as well as the enclosures. Yeah.
Some of the models we work with the OEM directly to develop. Other models we work with a third-party testing laboratory that has test data like terminal voltage, open circuit voltage, time series, accelerated degradation tests, and such. Other models, the OEMs themselves can develop on their own, or really any user can create a model using the help documentation. There's an appendix in the help documentation called the battery model construction guide, and that tells you step by step how to create a model.